So what you want to do first is head over to Google Drive, and then you have to make sure that you have a folder that you want to protect. So I'm going to select New in the corner, then select New Folder, and then I'm going to call it Photos. Next thing that you need to do is you need to search up Google Forms, and you're going to use this first link where it says Google Forms sign in. And now you're going to create a blank form. And we are going to call this form Photos. And we are going to select Form Description. And now we are going to include a question. So this will be my question: what is the password? And then you're going to change this from multiple choice to short answer. And now you're going to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. And then you're going to select response validation. And now you can change this from number to text. And then you can enter in the password right here. Now where it says custom error text, it's going to display a text if the person gets the password wrong. Now you're going to go back to Google Drive. You're going to right click on your folder and select share. Then you go to the restricted area, then select anyone with the link. Then you copy the link. Then you go back to the Google Forms, then go to settings. So you're going to scroll down and then look for something which says presentation. Now look for something which says confirmation message. So we're going to edit that. So the confirmation message will be the password is right. And now what you need to do is right click and then select paste. Then you're going to save it. And now you can send the form to whoever you want to send it to. And there you go.